they clubbing, they chilling, they...
If somebody should give you money, I mean, real big money, would you stop this business?
Of course, sir. Every day, I must walk in the sun before I get something to eat. I'm looking for some capital. As soon as I get it, I will quit this business.
I see. Oh, come on, sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Ajara.
Master.
My wife has traveled. If I should give you 500,000 cedis, would you sleep with me?
Master, are you serious? Are you teasing me?
I'm dead serious.
Okay. You give me the money first. And if you want me to pass the night with you, I'll do it.
Money is no problem. Yeah.
For me?
Yes.
Hey, thank you, sir. Thank you. May Allah bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
Come on, let's go inside.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You might be wondering why I should go in for a banana seller. I don't care about classes. I don't care whether you are a AHWEYIE seller or salt seller. Just give them a better deal and they are yours. Beware. You are my next victim.
Why you sleep?
Man, it's choke.
Good day, guys.
Oh, good day, Ivy.
Why are you here this time of the day?
Oh, come on, D2. What sort of question is this? Huh? Isn't she your girlfriend? And I mean, can't she visit you at any time? Oh.
Man, me tell her not to visit me at this time of the day. Why are you here this time of the day?
I came to give you the money. Peter has brought it.
She.
Okay, I'll see you guys later.
All right. Yeah, man, you should be ashamed of yourself. Huh? You don't treat this girl well at all. I wonder why she's still following you. How?
Let's get this daughters. If you them play them hard, man, them a go ramp with you, know. They ramp around. Them a go ramp around, you know, like that.
Oh, come on.
No wonder you're not.
You should give her some respect.
Let's get.
For the past 4 weeks, you've not brought me any money. Meanwhile, I paid electricity bills, feed you, and pay the rent. Tell me, where do you expect me to get that money from? Madam, it no be our fault. It's there for our joint every day. And nobody they come for us. No single man they look for our face. This face where we they get, nobody they look. Now you tell me, what do you girls do when the men come around? You sit on your ass and look at them? What is wrong with you girls, for God's sake?
Check body now. Check body. Check body. Body day.
We there for our joint. We there do everything. Cha-cha. And nobody they come for us. You girls are not doing enough. You've got to be aggressive. You've got to be aggressive. It looks as if you've become so soft. And for your information, I am giving you one last chance. One and no more. Last chance. Or I will kick you out.
Hey. Madam, you know reach one. You know reach this one now. You know reach. You know the pass this one now. Waiting.
Mary, nearly ready. What is your problem?
Mr. Mensah, I can no longer marry my husband.
Oh, why? What has he done? Huh?
He has tested HIV positive.
Oh! Mawu! Oh!
What?
Bajidi? What? You mean your husband, the pastor, has gotten AIDS? Bo and Nyare Dodoga? Hey! Pastor! Akbo is... Yeah. Mary, hey, I will advise you to leave him. Leave him immediately. Leave him immediately. Hey, by the way, are you positive yourself?
No. I believe he contracted it when I developed some complications at the initial stages of my pregnancy. And the doctor advised us not to have any affair.
Thank God you are negative. My advice, leave him.
Fokojo, you can't advise her like that. I mean, this is the time her husband needs her support the most. Besides, he has been tested HIV positive. He hasn't got the AIDS yet.
Joe, Daddy, if Mary were your own daughter, would you advise her to stay with him? What? Mary, Yusufu, and Salifu, they all belong to the Zongo community. So my advice is pack and go. Pack and go. Huh? Joe, a whole pastor.
Let me tell you, that's why I'm talking like this.
No. Just give her some respect. That's all.
Let's get on have to play it hard on them. They might go just ramp around with you, Ono. Hey guys, Charlie, what's up, man? Achieva. Respect and all the time.
Charlie, what CD are you holding?
Ha! I know last. I've got my demo. So, I want you guys to listen to it and offer your suggestions. Okay, let's get. Now check this. If me slot for my tape inside, and it has spoiled my tape when I go buy it. All right, and I love this. Play it, please.
Achieva, why are you worrying yourself like this? Let me tell you, music in Ghana does not pay.
So,
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware. Bravo yen to boisier. Tide wo ye bia no nyabotre. Kokosa jifa wudi me penyinche. Ade wo ho be da no hwe wo bia ho abre. So bi ni ma wo bi tre. Fese ginya me de se bi bia wo ne mre. Ye jai se wo krome ma to pre. Ena kwesi kome kokodwo ho na yare. Ye kana wante wo kwante ade. Ye de se wo dra ho no hwe ye na wa hwe ase. Se wo ho ye na go no be che wo krache. Baba so kra my whoa so we ni ate. Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware.
Mary, please, I beg you. Mary, I beg you, Mary, don't go, please, don't leave me. Mary. Mary, please, don't go. Mary, I'm begging you. Mary, leave me. I want you to believe me. I have never had an affair with any woman apart from you. Please.
Then how come? How come you have it?
Mary, don't talk like that. I don't have AIDS. I'm only HIV positive, Mary. Please, don't leave me. I'm begging you.
What is the difference between HIV and AIDS? Shameless man. You call yourself a pastor. You call yourself a pastor. You call yourself a pastor. A man of God. Samantha, help me.
Don't touch me.
Please, talk to Mary now.
Yes.
Please, Mary, please.
No.
Mary.
Look, don't touch me.
Oh, Mr. Mensah. She's going, Mr. Mensah.
Look, are you a man of God? Are you a man of God? You disappointed your wife.
Mr. Mensah, Mary is going, man. Mary, please come back. Mary! Mary, come back! Please come back! Mary! 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 Oh God.
Tina, good evening.
Evening.
Tina, I'm here to say sorry for what happened the other time. Tina, you know, I left my wife because of you. If you leave me, I don't have anywhere else to go.
Excuse me. Did I ask you to leave your wife? I didn't.
No, didn't directly. Tina, you know, that woman was worrying me too much. I'm sorry, Tina, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry, Tina. Please forgive me. It won't happen again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I want you to accept this gift to show that you have forgiven me. I'm sorry, Tina. Tina, can I follow you?
Excuse me. Please. Look, accepting this gift doesn't mean you can come in immediately. Give me some time to think about it, okay? Good night. Bye.
Celebrity, look who is coming.
How that?
Ivy.
This daughter, what at all does she want from me again?
What do you mean, what at all does she want from you? Does it mean you've stopped seeing her? Ah! Tito.
Good evening.
Good evening.
What do you want here? Me say, what do you want here at this time of the day?
I've come for the money.
Me never tell you if you come here.
But please, I need it for something now.
So you call girl. You want to go charge me if I would do what you want, right? Just trip down on your yard. Me I could walk there tonight. Right now you're turn a call girl. Just trip down. Trip down up
I need
yard.
the money for something now, please.
You can't hear what me talking. Me say trip down on your yard. Me I could walk there tonight. We are go see. Round up my line. You still there, dear? Round up my line. I can't hear me. Now run. Round up my line. Run! Me.
You pushed me.
Pussy wood. Dito, just get up and run. Hey, boy.
Dito, what is wrong with you?
Hey, man, just chuck for me, alright? Chuck it. Leave this play at all. Leave here. This play at all before I turn. I'm a madman. Leave here. You're still there, dear. Run up, me line. I can't hear me. Now run. Leave here. Leave this play at all. Boy, just chuck for me, alright?
Dito, what is wrong with you?
Let's get. Huh? Let's get. This is strictly between me and my brother. Me no love this. You know if you chuck for me.
I told you, you mad clat.
Man, me no love this. If you love, sit down and make we play the game.
No go play.
Why? Sometimes me don't know what is wrong with you. You're all blood clots, a ras clots and a bomba clots. Me don't know.
Hello. Excuse me. Please come. Don't worry, just come. It's okay. Come. Why is a beautiful lady like you shedding tears? Look, don't worry. Come on, come and sit down and let me buy you a drink, okay? Don't worry. Don't worry, just come. I'll buy you a drink, okay? Come and sit down. Let's buy something, okay? Come on.
Pastor, why are you looking like you've lost a dear one? Huh? Pastor, I overheard people saying you have AIDS and that your wife has left you as a result. Is it true? So you two, they put the thing inside small, eh?
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware, beware.
brabo yen to boasie. Ti de wo ye bia no nyabotre. Okosa jifa wudi me penyinche. Ade wo hu be da no hwe wo bi ehu abre. So bi ni ma wo bi tre. Feso jinya me de se bibia won mre. The jai se wo krome ma to pray. Ena kwesi kome kokodwo ho na yare. Ye kana wante wo kwante ade. Ye de se wo jina ho no hwe ye na wa hwe ase. Se wo hu ye na go no be che wo krache. Baba so kra man wow so when ate.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time, so beware.